Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home appliances. Today we're taking a closer look at the Rebanic S8 cordless stick vacuum cleaner. With a sleek design, advanced suction power, and some unique features, this vacuum promises to handle everything from pet hair to fine dust. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. The Rebanic S8 is a versatile, lightweight vacuum cleaner that can easily transition between a stick vacuum and a handheld model, making it suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks. Powered by a 600-watt brushless motor, it delivers up to 48 kPa of suction power, ensuring a deep clean on a range of surfaces, including carpets, hardwood floors, and upholstery. With 4 modes, Auto, Min, Mid, and Max, you can adjust the suction power to match the difficulty of the job, whether it's tackling fine dust or stubborn pet hair. This means you're in control, whether you're cleaning a small rug or doing a full house sweep. One of the standout features of the Rebanic S8 is its 65-minute runtime on auto mode, thanks to its 8 2500 mAh high-capacity batteries. This provides ample cleaning time for a typical home, and if you need more, you can purchase a second removable battery to double your cleaning session. And when it's time to recharge, the vacuum's wall mount bracket conveniently combines storage with charging, so you never have to hunt for a place to plug it in. For those with allergies, the LV8 filtration system is a game changer. It captures up to 99.99% of fine dust particles, ensuring that the air you breathe stays fresh and clean. Coupled with one-click dustbin emptying, it's a user-friendly design that keeps your hands away from dirt, making maintenance easy and hygienic. The touchscreen display gives you real-time updates on battery life and maintenance alerts, so you'll always know when it's time to empty the dustbin or check the filters. The filter needs to be cleaned every 2 to 3 weeks and replaced every 3 months for optimal performance. Another thoughtful design feature is the Anti-Tangle floor brush. Pet hair and long hair are notorious for getting stuck in brush rolls, but the Rebanic S8's brush is designed to avoid tangles. The floor brush also rotates a full 180 degrees left and right and 90 degrees up and down, allowing you to easily clean under furniture and reach those tricky spots in corners. You can even remove the brush with a simple click for quick cleaning. Plus, it's fitted with green LED lights, which help reveal dust and particles that are often invisible to the naked eye. This technology is particularly useful for cleaning hard floors, where dust and debris can easily blend in with the surface. Now let's talk real-world performance. During testing, the Rebanic S8 showed impressive suction power on both carpet and hard floors. On carpet, it lifted embedded dirt and pet hair with ease, while on hardwood, it effectively collected fine dust and crumbs. The anti-tangle brush worked well, even picking up pet fur without any noticeable issues. However, the suction on higher modes can be a bit too much for lightweight area rugs, so it's best to switch to a lower mode for those. The 65-minute runtime is more than enough for most cleaning sessions, but if you have a larger home or want to extend your cleaning time, the option to purchase an extra battery is a nice touch. The vacuum's lightweight design makes it easy to handle, and it's not tiring to use, even during extended cleaning sessions. It's also quiet compared to other vacuums in its class, which is a big plus for those who are sensitive to noise. On the downside, the self-standing feature, while convenient, does take up a bit more space than some other designs. Additionally, the touchscreen controls, while innovative, can take a little getting used to. Some users may prefer physical buttons for quick adjustments. Also, while the vacuum's suction is powerful, the lack of a dedicated deep clean mode means it might struggle with very high-pile carpets or heavily soiled areas. So how does the Rebanic S8 stack up in terms of value for money? At its price point, it offers impressive features, especially the strong suction, long battery life, and filtration system. Compared to other vacuums in the same range, it stands out in terms of its versatility, build quality, and smart features like the green LED lights and the anti-tangle brush. However, some competing models may offer more specialized cleaning modes for deeply embedded dirt, which could be a deciding factor for certain buyers. In terms of alternatives, the Rebanic S8 competes well with other cordless stick vacuums like the Dyson V8 or Shark's IZ201. Both offer strong suction and decent battery life. But the Rebanic S8's unique features, like the anti-tangle brush and green light dust detection, might give it an edge for some users. However, if you're looking for something with a slightly longer runtime or more powerful suction on carpets, you might want to consider a higher-end model from Dyson or another premium brand. When it comes to build quality, the Rebanic S8 feels solid and well-constructed. The plastics are sturdy and the components fit together well. It's easy to maintain with simple cleaning processes for both the filters and the brush roll. Over time, as long as the vacuum is properly cared for, you can expect it to hold up well. However, as with any cordless vacuum, it's important to watch for battery degradation after extended use, though the removable battery feature gives you peace of mind if that happens. As for customer support, Rebanic generally has a good reputation, but specific interactions with support for this model haven't been widely reported yet. Based on the brand's history, however, you can likely expect prompt service if any issues arise, especially considering the vacuum's warranty and easy-to-replace parts. To wrap it up, the Rebanic S8 cordless vacuum is a solid choice for those looking for a versatile, powerful, and easy-to-use vacuum. It excels in cleaning efficiency, particularly for pet owners and homes with mixed floor types. The battery life, filtration system, and anti-tangle brush make it a reliable option, though it may not be the best fit for households with deep pile carpets or those needing ultra-quiet operation. If you're looking for a lightweight vacuum that offers a good balance of features and performance at a reasonable price, the Rebanic S8 is certainly worth considering. Thank you for watching. If you've got any questions or want to share your own experience with the Rebanic S8, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a review from Reviewsinsidetv. Until next time, keep your floors clean and your messes minimal.